Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony and today is the third and final video in this series on how to run Windows 10 on your Mac. So welcome to the third and final video in this series on how to run Windows 10 on your Mac. In the first video we learned how to install VirtualBox on your computer. In the second video we created the virtual machine and downloaded the ISO file. And in today's final video, I'm going to show you how to take that ISO file and install it in VirtualBox to run Windows 10 in macOS Sierra. So the first thing we need to do to get started is launch VirtualBox. So we'll do that from the dock. Next, let's go into the settings icon. And we'll come over to storage. And what we have to do is we have to attach this Windows ISO file to this empty container. So I'm going to click on the empty container and then I'm going to come over to the little CD looking icon and click on that. And I'm going to select choose virtual optical disk file. And I'm going to navigate to the Windows ISO file that's stored on my desktop. And now you can see it filled in the empty container with the Windows ISO file. It shows the location of the Windows ISO file. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Okay, and the next step is to actually start the virtual machine to begin the installation of the Windows operating system. So let's click on Start to begin the installation. And you can see Windows is loading off the ISO file. And now, guys, it's like any other Windows installation. It's going to take us through the steps of the wizard. This looks okay. We're going to say next. And I'm going to say install now. Okay, so if you have a Windows key to activate Windows, you can enter it here. I don't have a product key, so I'm going to click on I don't have a product key. And I'm just going to select Windows 10 Home and say next. I'm going to go ahead and accept the terms and say next. Which type of installation do you want? And I'm not going to do an upgrade, so I'm going to say install Windows only and say next. And the installation process has begun. So it took about 30 minutes and a couple of restarts to get to this point in the installation process. Now I'm not going to sign in with a Microsoft account, nor am I going to create one. Instead, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go use an offline account. Who's going to use this PC? So we'll just say Tony. And here you can choose to use Cortana. I'm going to just say no. I'm just going to accept the defaults for the purpose of this video. So you can see we're at the Windows desktop running in the virtual machine on VirtualBox on macOS Sierra. So I anticipate it being a little sluggish for a couple of reasons. I didn't give the virtual machine a lot of RAM. This iMac itself doesn't have a lot of RAM to begin with. And I'm running my screen capture software to record this video. But let's just see how it responds. So you can see the Windows, the menus pop up. Let's launch the Edge browser and see if we can surf the web. And let's go to Google. Okay, it's actually not too bad. Let's do a Google search and look for dog. Okay, so actually it's not that bad at all. Just for some fun, we should do a speed test. Actually, it's doing better than I thought it would. Um, this is a 150 meg circuit coming into the house, running on Wi-Fi. And typically on Wi-Fi on this machine, I get about 80 or 90 meg. So considering we're running a virtual machine, to get 31 down and 22 up is really not that bad. So that about wraps it up for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, please like, and please share. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time.